Join me on my 2 days excursion to Erin-Ijesha Waterfall in Osogbo, Osun State. The first day we lodge at LASUTECH College of Medical Sciences. The school is big, it's beautiful. Like you might not even believe this is a Nigerian school safe. We were hungry, so we located a restaurant called Item 7 Gold Shawarma Spot. The food here is so cheap. Omo, check their price list. The next day, we left our hostel and embarked on our adventure to Erin-Ijesha Waterfall. Come with me. Well, I ended my adventure with a dinner of amala,